Okay, so we've just started and I've prepped her face. I added foundation. Now I'm applying concealer and I'll show you what it is. So the concealer I used is the Kevin Aquan Sensual Skin Enhancer in number SX09. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blend her concealer with a beauty blender. And then I'm gonna set it with the Ben Nye translucent powder. Alright, so now I'm going to prime her eyelids and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier eye primer in the shade Wheat. Okay, so now we're going to move on to eyeshadow and I'm going to use this super shimmery eyeshadow from Topshop. You can really see that, can't you? So I'm going to pick up the eyeshadow with my ring finger and I'm going to place it all over her eyelids. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia, and I'm going to use the color Real Gar. So I'm applying that color on her crease. So now I'm going to pick up Cypress Umber from the Anastasia palette. So I'm also going to run that through her crease just to give it more depth.
We need a third one.
Okay, so now I'm going to highlight her brow bone and I'm going to use Primavera from that same palette. Okay, so now I'm going to use a Stila palette and I'm going to use this shade right here for her bottom lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Rock and Coal nude pencil in her waterline.
Sorry girls, we know the lighting here is so bad, but next time hopefully we'll...
Okay, so now I'm going to use the new Benefit Cabral Gel in number 3. Okay, so I'm just going to start filling in the outer edges.
Wow, look at those brows.
Okay, so we just applied lashes. We finished up her brows. Now I'm going to brush them with this Gimme Brow Fiber Gel. So I'm just going to brush up.
Do you guys remember this song?
So now I'm going to contour her face with this Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in number 3, Natural Brunettes. Okay, so now we're going to move on to blush, and I'm going to use this Edward Best blush in number 2, filled with Desire.
You guys may know the lighting is so bad and you can't see the colors properly, but we're going to take proper pictures for you later.
So now I'm using the Becca and Jacqueline Hill Champagne Pop Highlighter. Ooh. So now I'm going to use the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist, and I'm going to spray it all over her face to give her a nice dewy look. Can you guys see the difference? Look how dewy her skin is now. So now I'm going to line her lips with MAC Strip Down Lip Liner. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to use the Kylie Metal Matte Lipstick in Air. So now I'm going to use the Kylie Gloss in Literally, and I'm going to apply that in the center of her lips.
So we're done with the makeup, and
now we're going to move on to hair. And I'm going to show you guys a really nice way. So now I'm going to show you guys how to get effortless waves using a curling iron. So maybe say like, this is this.
Oh my god, I'm crying. The makeup.
I just sectioned her hair on this side into 2 parts. And I'm gonna take a strand like so. Okay, so I'm gonna take the curling iron and I'm gonna curl this strand towards the outside like this. Okay, so this strand right here, I'm gonna curl it inwards like so. So I'm gonna do 1 curl inwards, 1 curl outwards. Girl, wow. Wow. So now I'm gonna add some texturizing spray in her roots just to give her more volume. Okay, so I'm gonna spray it on her roots like that. Okay, and now I'm gonna use some dry finishing spray from Kevin Murphy.
What's a dry finishing spray?
So it gives you volume. Okay, so I'm gonna spray that on the ends to give you that messy wave look. So we're done with the hair and makeup. Do you guys like it? So we did like a subtle 8 glass. This is what you guys asked for.
I love my makeup, and I'm obsessing over how effortless my hair is. So now I want to show you this jumpsuit that I'm wearing. Okay, the lighting here is much better. So this jumpsuit is from my store, Shop Yuo. It's new. We haven't posted it yet.